Welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you're going from, want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie B. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here. Um,
We started that the volume or by phase amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may accept your position.
Accuracy.
Accuracy is correct for 10 points.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. Most especially to our students there in the Republic of Liberia. We'd like to welcome you to the first game of the quarterfinals. We'd like to welcome you to the quarterfinals round. If you are taking WAS, we extend our regards to you. Stay focused, stay the course. The results from WAS may not say who you are or who you are going to be, but definitely the result from WAS is going to be important. It's going to open doors for you, or it might close doors for you. So you have to pay attention to your WAS examination in certificate program. I'd like to welcome you right now to the first game of the quarterfinals. And today in studios, we have two schools, one from Central Liberia, that is the WV.S. Tubman Gray High School from Bong County, Manga City. And we also have in the studio Esther Yalartai Academy. Esther Yalartai Academy hails from Montserrado County. And as it relates to the students in the studio, those who are going to introduce themselves sooner, um, Tigray is featuring some students who played last year. One of them who played last year and he emerged to the final, so he understands and he knows the workings or the underpinnings of the ball game. And we also have another school that is quite new to the ball game, but this school has been like the kids would say this school placed on the map. This school has been placed on the map by a strong student. I wouldn't just like to limit her abilities to being a female. I wouldn't limit her abilities just to her gender-based abilities, but she's the strongest. I think so far she has remained the best science student in the program 2024, and she's still marching on. So we're going to see today, is she going to stop here, or is she going to progress? If she's going to be stopped here, she's going to be stopped by the leg or by the like of Dr. Betty and Co. Or is she going to move on? That question is not for us to answer. We have one job, and our job is to read. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to go into this game by asking the student who is representing Esther Yalartai Academy from Montserrado County to give us a 60 seconds intro.
Representing the Esther Yalartai Academy, Simon Benu Masakwa is my name. Playing question today, I choose to be called On Divine.
On divine. Let's switch our pendulum to the WV.S. Tubman Gray from Bong County. Tigray, your intro, 60 seconds.
Okay, thank you very much. We are from the WV.S. Tubman Gray School, and I'm here with this brilliant scholar who is known as what?
My name is Samuel Kwapakuken College. For today's encounter, just apple filter. I mean, what is something from the occipital loop of the human's brain? Thoughts?
Okay, he is called Apple Vita, but Captain Student Ase D. Betty Jr., but for today's encounter, he call me Dr. Betty throughout the time.
for today's encounter. You call him Dr. Betty. Dr. Betty. Thomas, stop it.
Undefined and dictator petty two all the time. However, folks, we want to say you are highly welcome again to this wonderful encounter. As it was stated, we have two schools, one here from Bond County and the other is from Montserrado County. We have Esther Yalartai Academy from Montserrado County and the WV.S Tubman Grade High School from Bond County. My name is Thomas T. Tapper Jr., one of the organizers of this platform and one of the moderators in the bowl games.
All right. Thank you, Thomas. Stop it. Uh, my name is Wally Bibidel, and here's your boosting point. Tigray, what is your boosting point for today?
Tigray, Tigray.
Tigray. Esther Yalartai, what is your boosting point for today? Esther Yalartai, what is your boosting point for today?
Esther, you pay attention.
Uh, E and T kind of works when the game is going to be, uh, if this is going to be encounter is going to give us hard time. So can we use something else? Can either one of you choose something else? And Esther Yalartai, Benu, you are not in the camera. Please focus on the camera. Sit directly in the middle of the camera and focus on the camera all the time, please. Times. Tigray, the same applies to you. At all times this game, we want you to focus on the camera, looking left or right, even if you're not communicating with somebody. That may be tantamount or that may imply that you have to get a -5. All right. So, Esther Yalartai, let's come back to you. What boosting point can we use? All right, Thomas, we try. We try. Can we
We'll
try?
try, we'll try.
We
We'll
try.
try. I
If
think
it's
we'll try
giving you
with
a
that.
hard time, we'll take a step back and we'll change everything. All right. So Tigray, your boosting point is Tigray, and Esther Yalartai, your boosting point is E. So we would like to move on to question number 1. Are you guys set?
Yeah.
Yes.
Esther Yalartai, give me a boosting point. Esther Yalartai, give me a boosting point.
E.
Tigray, give me a boosting point.
Tigray,
Yeah, I think you have to
Tigray.
be audible. Yeah, sure.
The question is number 1. The question is number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first game of the quarterfinal. The question is number 1. The failure of a pair of homologous chromosomes.
Esther.
Complete.
The failure of a pair of homologous chromosomes to separate during meiosis or for sister chromatids to separate during mitosis is called what?
During meiosis 1 or meiosis 2, which you stated, is called what?
Non-disjunction.
Non-disjunction gave you 10 points. The question is number 2. The average of 2 or more Lewis structure differing in the position of electrons is called what? The average of 2 or more Lewis structure differing in the position of electrons is called what? The average of 2 or more Lewis structure differing in the position of electrons is called what?
E.
E.
Hybrid.
Wrong. The average.
Tigray.
Tigray.
Azoto.
The answer is resonance. Resonance. And the question is going to be number 3. The concept in physics, or the phenomenon that states that time passes more slowly for an observer who is moving Tigray.
This particular principal model, it was brought by a man within physics called Christian Dobler, in which said that at a particular point when the sound is moving relatively to the listener, while the listener is moving towards the object in which a particular sound is better as what?
Tigray, come back with your completion.
a concept in physics that deal with a sound in which the man Christian Douglas stated that the source of a sound being produced by an object while the listener is work or moving the water object is referred as what?
And I'm afraid I'll give you -5. I'm afraid I'm going to give you -5. Esther Yalartai, the question goes to you exclusively. A concept in physics, which is a phenomenon that states that time passes more slowly for an observer who is moving relatively to another observer, is called what?
Yeah.
Take time. Take
The theory
time.
of time relativity.
Wrong. It's called time dilation. Time dilation. Time dilation. Thomas, over to you.
So, folks, that's how we come to the end of the first three questions in the first half. The score is 10 points to Esther and -5 to Tigre. And the margin we have here on paper is 15 points in favor of Esther. The question is question number 4, first half, and I read for both schools. The question is question number 4, and I read for both schools. A measure of the concentration of countable objects in space expressed as a number per unit volume is referred to as what?
Tigre,
Tigre.
Tigre,
Tigre.
Tigre.
take density,
Come again.
density,
Density. I can't accept density. Your question. Esther, your question. A measure of the concentration of countable object in space expressed as a number per unit volume is referred to as what? Oh, we lost Esther there. So, folks, if you are just joining us, this is a wonderful encounter between the WV.S Tubman Grade High School from Bong County and the Esther Yalartai academics from Montserrado County. And on paper, we have the score to be 10 points to Esther Yalartai and -5 to T grade for short. And the margin is 15 points in favor of Esther. Margin is 15 points in favor of Esther. So we have a student representing Esther, that is student Diamond Benu Massaquet, and we have two students representing T grade. We have student Samuel and student Betty, referred to herself as Dr. Betty. So folks, the score is 10 points to Esther and -5 to T grade. So if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. Still with us as we are with Esther to rejoin or the student there in Montserrado County to rejoin us.
All right. I think they are coming, but right before they settle in, I'd like to inform our audience this is the quarterfinal game of the today is going to be the quarterfinal day. There are 4 games. This is the first game of the day. The second game we hope to see Peter Claver from Grand Bassa County versus Tubman Institute from Montserrado County. Game number 4, CMFR Bilingual High School from Montserrado versus Pat Media, also from Montserrado County. And in the last game of the day, we would like to see College of West Africa from Montserrado County versus Chiminjo Dogon High School from Montserrado County. Thomas, stop it back to you.
So to answer your question,
okay.
and I read, a mass of the concentration of countable object in space expressed as the number per unit volume is referred to as what?
E.
Your answer,
Density.
modify. Time,
Yes,
time,
take.
time. The correct and precise answer is number density. The mass countable countable object, the keyword is number density to both team. Number density. The question is question number 5, and I read for both schools. The question is question number 5, and I read for both schools. A genetic disorder caused by the presence of all or part of a tear copy of chromosome 21.
E.
Complete.
Cause by all or a tear copy of chromosome 21 in an individual, which is also known as trisomy 21, can be referred to as what?
Which is also known as trisomy 21. You said everything on paper. Everything. What is the answer?
Down syndrome.
Down syndrome. Down syndrome. Student Beno Massacre. Student Jaju Friend. 10 points for Down syndrome. 10 points. The question is question number 6. First half. And I read for both schools. Question is question number 6, and I read for both schools. The difference in electrical charge across the plasma memory of a neuron that is not actively transmitting a nerve impulse is called what? I read again. The difference in electrical charge across plasma memory of a neuron that is not actively transmitting a nerve impulse is referred to as E.
What is first?
Wait, E. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Esther. Be there.
Yeah, E was the first.
You are the first. Okay. Yeah. Your answer.
They say that tigre.
Your answer, you. Esther. Your answer.
Esther, action potential.
Yeah, answer. Come again.
Action potential. Action potential.
Say nothing. Say nothing. Stay there. Say nothing else. Stay
Thomas,
there. Say nothing else.
move on. I know. Tubman, move on. Move on. I know you. I know what's going on. Move on.
As you move on. Okay, you are wrong. You are wrong. The question is to you. WV.S. Tubman Gray. The difference in electrical charge across the plasma memory of a neuron that is not actively transmitting a nerve impulse is called what?
Tigre.
What is the answer?
Take neurotransmitter.
You are wrong. Resting potential weapon precise. Resting potential weapon precise. Resting potential weapon precise. And folks, that's how we come to the end of the 6th question in the first half. Yeah.
You can again with your answer.
Resting potential.
Resting potential.
Not action potential.
Resting potential weapon precise.
I know that for a fact because too much is one of my questions. The question is going to be number 7.
It's my question today. Idiots.
The question is going to be number 7. The score is 20 points to Esther Yalartai and WV.S. Tubman Gray -5. The question is going to be number 7. Please pay attention. What hormone produced in the brain, released by the hypothalamus, is chiefly regarded as the hormone for pleasurable reward and motivation? E. I think I come again. Yeah. I got what she said, but she had to come again. Come again. Your answer.
Dopamine.
Take 10 points. Dopamine. Take 10 points. The question is going to be number 8. Question is number 8. Pen or paper. Question is number 8. Pen or paper. The question is number 8. Pen or paper. To find the mass of an area in terms of gravitational constant, this equation is used. Capital G, capital M, small m, divided by area square is equal to small m v square divided by area. Make capital M the subject. I come again. To find the mass of an object in terms of gravitational constant, this equation is used. Capital G, capital M, small m divided by area square is equal to small m v square divided by r. Make m the subject.
Can you just come again?
Tigre.
Please come again.
Tigre, 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 tigre.
Take your answer to be EM. You said capital M. Yeah. Take okay. Take your answer to be N is equal to 1 or I come again.
One, two, three, 4, 5,
N is equal to
7,
N will be equal to
9. Take time.
over
Time. Esther Yalartai. To find the mass of an area, please pay attention. Stop communicating. Communicate to anybody, give you -5. I don't care who you communicate with. Do not communicate to anybody. To find the mass of an area in terms of gravitational constant, this equation is used. Capital G, capital M, small m, divided by r square is equal to small m, v square divided by r. You got 10 seconds.
Esther.
Esther,
E.
your answer.
My answer here is capital M is equal to mv square r square over gmr.
Come again.
M is equal to mv square r square over gmr.
You're wrong. The answer is capital M is equal to RV square over G. Capital M is equal to RV square over G. That'll be the answer. The question is number 9. The question is number 9. Please pay attention. Question is number 9. In an aqueous solution, sodium hypochlorite or bleach, NaOCl, is written in the chemical equation as Na plus Na plus OCl plus H2O yield NH NaHOCl plus OH. I come again. In an aqueous solution, sodium hypochlorite or bleach NaCOl has the chemical equation Na plus OCl plus H2O yield NaHOCl plus OH. Notice sodium is found on both sides of the equation, but sodium does not participate in the equation or in the reaction. That will refer to as sodium in this case. Tigre.
How can you refer to
Tigre.
sodium in this particular case?
What is the answer?
Spectator iron.
Take 10. Take 10. Spectator iron. Thomas Nathan, over to you for the second half.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, the score is 30 points to Esther and 5 points to Tigre. The margin remains 25 points in favor of Tigre. Without much time to waste, we'll move directly into the second half, starting with question number 1. The question is question number 1, second half, and I read for both schools. Esther, say E. Tigre, say Tigre.
Tigre.
The question is question number 1, second half. And I read for both schools. The change in energy that occurs when an ionic solid is separated into isolated ions in the gas phase is referred to as what?
E.
E. E. What is the answer? What is the answer? E.
Electron affinity.
You're wrong. Tigre, your question. The change in energy that occurs when an ionic solid is separated into absolute ion in the gas phase is referred to as what?
Tigre,
Tigre, what is the answer?
take sublimation.
You are also wrong. The latex energy will have been precise. The latex energy will have been precise. Latex energy. The question is question number 2. And I read for both schools. Question number 2. And I read the turning by an organism or part of an organism towards or away from an environmental stimulus.
Tigre.
Towards
Tigre.
or away from environmental stimulus is well as what?
And what is your answer?
Yes, veteran, take your answer B.
Your answer.
Your answer. Come again. Come again.
I'm not hearing you. Your answer.
Take your answer B. I feel the tropism or tropism.
What is your answer?
I feel your tropism or tropism.
The last time, what is your answer?
Call one answer. What is your answer?
I go for tropism.
10 points.
Oh God.
The question is question number 3. Second half. And I read for both schools. What is the Avogadro constant? State the Avogadro constant.
Tigre.
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 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23.
6.022 times 10 to the power of 23 is precise for 10 points. 10 points.
There's no unit, Thomas.
I tell you that 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23.
Yeah, the unit can be the unit can vary, like, can be electronic,
Yeah,
can be
we love
ion,
both.
can be atom.
Okay.
So 10 points.
Cool. Thomas, your first 3 questions, second half.
See that?
Are you through with your first 3 questions?
Yeah, sure.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first quarterfinal game of the day. The score here is 30 points to Esther Yalartai Academy and 25 points to WV.S Tubman. Esther Yalartai is from Montserrado County, the Brewerville Belt, and T Gray is from Bong County, that is the Banga City Belt. The question is going to be number 4, second half. Pen to paper. Pen to paper. The temperature of a gas in a 10-liter container is 0.985 atm, is 2.5 degrees Celsius. I come again. The temperature of a gas in a 10-liter container at 0.985 atm is 2.5 degrees Celsius. What is the pressure of this gas after the temperature is raised to 105 degrees Celsius? I come again with the question. The temperature of a gas in a 10-liter container at 0.985 atm is 2.5 degrees Celsius. What is the pressure of this gas after the temperature is raised to 105 degree Celsius? 105 degrees Celsius. You got a minute to solve this.
Brethren, please come for the last time.
The last time, the temperature of a gas in a 10-liter container at 0.985 atm is 2.5 degrees Celsius. What is the pressure of this gas after the temperature is raised to 105 degrees Celsius?
The pressure is over. P1. No, if I'm listening. So you add 275 to the beginning. No, 275 constant.
You got 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left.
The pressure is over. For pressure.
30 seconds.
What temperature? T1 pressure. Tigre.
Tigre. 10 seconds, Tigre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time. The answer is 1.35 atm. P1V1 is equal to P2V2. And you solve for P2. Make P2 the subject and solve. P1V1 equal to P2V2. Change your temperature to Kelvin. That's it. The question is going, and the question is going to be number 5. The question is going to be number 5. Please pay attention. The state or the condition of sluggishness, inactivity, or torpor exhibited by raptors such as snakes and lizards during winter or extended period of low temperature.
Tigre.
Of a particular period of low temperature in which a particular place to stay for them to be in a particular steady body conditions, but as what?
It's called what?
Hibernation.
Wrong.
Ah,
The question goes to you. The state or condition of sluggishness, inactivity, or torpor exhibited by raptors such as snakes or lizards during winter or extended period of low temperature is called what? One, two.
Stopper.
Come again?
Stopper.
Wrong. The answer is called brumation.
Stopper.
Tigre.
Tigre, wrong. Tigre, do not argue.
Yes.
Tigre, do not argue. I'll be specific.
Brethren,
Tigre, do not
if you look at
argue. It's not the same. You give me a general
estivation
case.
have to do with hard condition, hard weather condition, where
Tigre.
organisms will look in wet places to live.
Tigre, do not argue. Do not argue. I'm being very specific.
Brethren, check it out, please.
No, I'm telling you. Listen to what I'm saying. You give me general case. I'm being very specific. The question I read to you was a specific question. The specific question had to do with raptors and snake and during winter. Brumation. If you go back, you do your study. If you don't see brumation, then you come back to me. You give me a general case. I'm giving you a specific case.
Brethren,
I'm giving you a specific case. Do not argue. I'm giving you a specific case. The question is going to be. It's not it. You still not understanding what I'm saying to you.
I know what you're saying, but brethren, I've said it over the past time.
No,
I
you're
was there,
wrong.
hibernation.
You're not wrong about thinking hibernation or estivation. I'm telling you there are layers to it. And the question I actually Leo was specifically about raptors and snakes. Or raptors, snakes, and lizard. And I broke it down. I was very specific.
Maybe
Why no?
maybe I'm mammals and
The
No,
question is
no.
okay, never mind.
I
the
think
question is
then hold
Can you
on
be there?
verify
yeah.
if Esther hearing us.
Esther, can you
Can
hear
you be
us?
there?
Yes.
Yes, we are hearing you, but there's a delay in our audio reaching you. So please watch the gesture from Benu. Please watch her gesture when she's boosting.
We will see about that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Question is number 6. Please pay attention. The question is number 6. In nuclear phases, Esther, Beno, you want to see your face because if you carry your face away from the camera, even if you're boozing, we'll not see it. We gotta see you. In nuclear phases, the model that states that nucleus is charged nonpolar liquid drop held together by nuclear force is called what? In nuclear phases,
E,
the
E, E,
model
E, E.
E. One,
Yes, my answer is
7.
the polar negatory.
Wrong. In nuclear phases, the model that states or describe that nucleus is a charged nonpolar liquid drop held together by nuclear force is called what?
Tigre,
Tigre.
I go for the nucleus theory.
Wrong. The answer is the liquid drop theory. The liquid drop theory. Liquid drop theory. Thomas Tabe, over to you. And the score remains 25 to Tubman and 30 to Esther Yalartai.
25 to Tubman Gray and 30 to Esther Yalartai. The question is question number 7 in a read for both school. Esther, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Tigre, are you hearing me?
Yes.
And I read for both schools. Question is question number 7 and I read. The second stage of photosynthesis, in which carbon atoms from carbon dioxide are combined using the energy in ATP and AA.
Tigre.
Tigre.
Complete.
Using the energy in ATP and also using the energy combined with NADPH is referred as what?
The last energy I'm not getting the say again. Come again. Come again with completion, Tigre. Tigre, are you hearing me? Tigre, are you there?
We are having the Tigre. Come again with completion. Come again with completion.
This is the second stage in photosynthesis where usually the energy of ATP can usually be combined with the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, that's NADP, to produce a particular product is referred as what?
That is why NADP.
NADPH, that's a nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate.
What is your answer?
Yes, this is called a light dependent reaction.
The last one?
Light dependent reaction.
I can accept that. I can accept that. I can accept that. Your question, Esther, in a read. The second stage of photosynthesis, in which carbon atoms from carbon dioxide are combined using the energy in ATP and NADPH to make glucose is referred to as what?
Check here.
Glycolysis.
Your answer?
Glycolysis.
You are wrong. The Kelvin cycle was been precise. The Kelvin cycle was been.
Fedran,
What is the question?
yes, please, can you do a favor for me by setting up the light dependent reaction and the Kelvin cycle?
There are two different things.
There are two different
They
things
are
that are not
not
the
two.
same.
I'm doing this particular topic in the Shakespeare, and they told me that the light dependent reaction is where which can also be called the neither
No,
Mary Kelvin, is where and the ATP and the NADPH can combine to produce glucose.
no, it's
In
the Kelvin
in
cycle.
carbon
There's nothing about
cycle,
it's a,
in carbon
Stop.
cycle, you
Stop.
combining ATP and carbon cycle, you combining ATP and NADPH, and that is quite different from the other cycle that you mentioned. The
I
light
said a large
dependent
dependent reaction. This
the
is
light
another name for it.
no, it's not the same thing. They're two different things. Light dependent reaction, carbon cycle. Thomas, fact check it.
yes.
Fact check it. So let's fact check it before we move on. But they are not the same. Light dependent stage is associated with photosynthesis. Light dependent stage is associated with photosynthesis. It's not the same. It's not the same thing.
Let me do a follow research on it. I think they
Okay.
are not the same, but they have some key points. Let me verify fast, please. Just take control.
They're not the same. The light dependent reaction is associated with flames.
I'm playing game photosynthesis again.
But what am I saying?
No, we are saying that they are the same because it has to do with
It's not the same.
You see what's the
not-
answer? Hello?
Light
You see what's the answer?
the large dependent reaction.
The light dependent reaction, and you are wrong. The light independent reaction is the same as the Kelvin cycle. It's a light independent, it's not dependent. So you are wrong. You said dependent. There are two types of cycle that it's the light dependent reaction and it's the light independent reaction, which is also known as the Kelvin cycle. So no further research on it. It's close. Let's go on.
Thank you.
And that was question number one. The question is question
Not question number one, Thomas. Question number 7.
7. Sorry, that was question number 7. And the question is question number 8. It's a solving problem. Pen to paper. Question number 8. And I read for both schools. So, folks, if you are just joining us, want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. This game is between two schools, one here from Montserrado County and the other is from Bong County. The score here, we have 30 points to Esther Yalartai, and we have here 25 points to T grade or one of WV.S Tubman grade high school. We move on to the question number 8, and I read. The question is question number 8, and I read for both schools. Solving problem, pen to paper. At 12 votes, sorry, I read. At 18 vote, battery is connected to a 10 ohms, a 20 ohms, and another 10 ohms another 10 ohms in parallel respectively. What is the current of the battery? I read again. An 18-volt battery is connected. E. What is the answer?
Yes, my answer is nothing else but 9 or 20.
9 over 20. 9 over 20 is not correct. 9 over 20 is not correct. Your
Let me call
question.
the question.
Your question.
This one.
An 18-volt battery is connected to 10 ohms, 20 ohms, and another 10 ohms another 10 ohms in parallel respectively. What is the current of the battery?
Yeah.
You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tigre.
Tigre, what is the answer?
Take your answer to be.
6,
Your
7,
answer is
8, 9, 10.
3 amp or 2.8
You are wrong.
amp.
You are wrong. The correct and precise answer is 4.5 amp. The correct and precise answer is 4.5 amp.
All right. Thomas, let's take a step back here. Are you seeing my screen? Tigre, are you seeing the screen?
Yeah.
These are the two phases of photosynthesis. It's either the light-dependent stage or the Kelvin stage. And you've seen it. They're quite different. They're not the same. You need both of them to for photosynthesis to occur.
I laughed.
All right? I just want us to settle this before we move on. Thomas,
It's okay. It's okay.
thank you.
Jaja,
Yes.
I got problem with the solving you did just now. You said the answer is 4.1.
4.5 amp.
Thomas, just tell you how you what you do.
The question is, hello?
Why?
Pay attention.
Hello?
Pay attention.
Pay attention quick. Let's go through it fast. The question asks you to find. Hello? Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
The voltage is 18. 18 volt.
Yeah.
That's the voltage. And you are given the resistors to be in parallel. And you have 10, you have 20, and you have another 10. So by the formula 1 over R is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. When you add everything and you solve, the resistor will be 4. You have that? So you will be having 18 over 4. 18 over 4 is 4.5. We proceed. So folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful game. Stay with us. The score is 30 points to Esther and 25 points to Tigre. We have the last question to climax this important game. The last question to climax this important game. The question is question number last, and I read for both schools. Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
The question is question number last, and I read. Pay attention to my bill. Equation describing the wave property of matter stated as wavelength equals to the Planck constant divided by the product of mass and velocity. E.
Yes, my answer is the Planck's equation.
Come again.
The Planck's equation I was talking about Max Planck.
You are wrong. Your question, Tigre, what is your answer?
That's the Berkeley equation. The de Broglie equation. Sure. You combine with mass and mass with de Broglie.
The de
The de
Broglie
Broglie.
equation is precise and correct for 10 points. You get 10 points.
Don't agree. Pay attention to something quick. Pay attention to something quick. All right, I got something else for you here. Pay attention to something quick. Pay attention to something quick. Don't agree. So we're here to learn, okay? Pay attention to something quick. You see brumation? Let me know if you can see. You see it, right? You see brumation? Don't agree.
Yeah,
Do you see it?
I'm seeing it. We're seeing it.
Good. So hibernation is to mammon and brumation is to raptors. That was telling you very specific.
I want to tell you.
Yes, so veteran.
No, don't argue. I don't want to say so bad.
No, I'm not arguing. You know,
Yeah, you made mistake. I just telling you about it.
Actually-
Hibernate while the other side is the raptor boy him.
thanks for the information. But what was on my mind when I was reading, I saw Esther Vision to have something in common with cold weather, and I saw the Esther Vision have to do with the hot weather.
Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is how we come to the end of this scheme. It was a great one. It was a splendid encounter.
Why you?
Tubman Gray and the score stands as one of your Tubman Gray 35 points and Esther Yalartai 30 points. Thomas Tapper, over to you. Please.
Yeah, so folks, that's how we come to the end of this wonderful game. I think it was a neck to neck game. It was actually a neck to neck game. Student Ben Mazakwa did her best. I think this proved how strong she is. It's just a 5 point matching game. So we congratulate T grade for the victory and also tell Ben Mazakwa you are very, very strong. Keep it up. So without much time to waste, starting with T grade, you have 15 seconds there for a feedback.
Yeah, we want to say thank you once again. But what a game we're playing, we have other things on our mind. Like me, amazing, current solving, and other stuff resistant formula. I'm actually confused. And to Esther Yalartai player, we want to say thank you for the game. You actually did your best. And we wish you can come Bong and come join Kwaba for me next year so that I can play for Tigre next academy.
Sure.
In school provide. So don't feel bad. You have other league in Montserrado there that I can play. So thank you.
All right. So Thomas, we will move on to Pino. Move on to you, Pino. I just like to say a hats off to you. And I'm amazed. I'm in shock of your performance. You and amazed. That's the talking. I don't want your so just squeezing everything. Just continue to believe. You are so strong. Continue to believe, and continue to believe. Okay, this is not the end of the road. So we keep in touch with you, and just continue to follow us. All right, Thomas Tapper. Pino. Before you leave, give us 50 seconds of your time. Pino? 50 seconds. All right, Thomas.
Yeah, I think.
It's
Yes, I think she's in. Ben, are you there?
All right, Thomas. Let's.
Yeah, I think it's. Yeah, Ben, you have 15 seconds there for a feedback, please.
I got feedback again.
Is it strong?
Okay,
Thank you.
that's good.
Come on, yeah, it's coming.
So
Okay, Thomas. Please wrap it up so we can jump into the second game.
yeah, so folks, we say thank you for following us, and that's just the game. That's true how strong she is. That's Ben, thank you for coming in, and so T Great, thank you also for coming in. Folks, join us on our next encounter or the next game we have here. We have Tubman and St. Peter. Thank you.